How to create and send custom Snapchat stickers. Let's get started. Open your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your Snapchat account. Now your camera will open up. Now you can take a snap or select any of the picture from your gallery to create and send custom sticker from that picture. Here I'm gonna select from the gallery. I'm gonna select this one picture. After you click the picture or select the picture, tap on the option of edit. And at the right corner you will find different icons. Tap on this scissor kind of icon. Now you can outline an object with your finger to make a sticker. And with that I have just created a sticker. Applying the same process, you can create other stickers as well. Now you can tap on this one icon. Now you can tap on this scissor icon, and over here you're gonna find the custom stickers that you have just created. From here you can choose the sticker that you want to send. After you create this sticker, now you are able to send it. You can tap on this send to option. Now your friend list will appear. From here you can check in for the friends that you want to send this snap. So this is how you can create and send custom Snapchat stickers. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.